Okay, let's look at exercise 2.4 on page 86. We are converting fractions and decimals to percentages. So 7 over 8 converted into a percentage, you need to multiply by 100%. And the 8 and 100 both can be divided by 4. So the 7 multiplied across straight to 25 gives 175. 2 multiplied with the 1 that's invisible at the bottom becomes 2, since 25 is the same thing as 25 over 1. That will give you 87.5 or 87.5%. Moving on to page 87, worked example 12. We are now turning a mixed fraction 3.5 into a percentage. You first need to change that mixed fraction into a improper fraction. An improper fraction is where you have a larger numerator than a denominator. To do that, you take the 3, multiply by the 2, then you add the 1, as such, giving you 7. 7 over 2. So you put the original denominator at the bottom. Once you've done that, you need to multiply by 100% again, and 7 multiplied by 50 because we've already divided by 2. Both the 100 and the 2, top and bottom, can be divided by 2. 7 times 50 gives 350%. And finally, worked example 13 on page 87. We need to change decimals into percentages. And 0.8 multiplied by 100%, because there are 2 zeros in 100%, you can shift the decimal place 2 places to the right, 1, 2, and place the dot. Where there is an empty space, you fill it in with a 0. And we have 80%. Example C, 0.032. Once again, multiply by 100%, move 2 decimal places to the right, and you get 3.2%.